So I'd say that all the artifacts, all the work, all the policy that Will and teams he works with have brought in have really accelerated what we do from a security standpoint for Mercury controllers. So, we have our controllers are on a continuum, right? They're manufactured since the 90s. And, as we evolve that product over time, the next iteration of controllers, like we have another iteration of controllers, a new generation coming out this year, we look not only at what we've done in the past as far as, all components we put on board, all the application code that we run, et cetera, but now we have to pull in additional things that maybe weren't at the forefront of our designs, 10 years ago or something when we were doing that. So a lot of the elements that we incorporate onto the boards, for example, we have secure elements, secure different types of devices that store secrets. That's really important and a big important part of the policy. So as we develop new boards, maybe a board of 10 years ago didn't have this type of hardened crypto hardware. Now that's something that's really, as policy, something we have to design into the product. Same goes for things that we do in firmware and even up in our software, our drivers and our interfaces that we write. We have to ensure that we protect privacy and we protect the secrets throughout the whole system. And that drives what seemingly is a lot of extra work that we were doing maybe as a side job previously. Now it's really at the forefront, but it's been a great add and something that really allows us to stand even more behind our product as being something we're really proud of and we think is really going to keep people safe.
Very good. Steve, anything you want to add to this?
Sure, I'll add from a customer perspective. So the process and policies that we have in place, I mean, they're critically important to the product today and into the future. When you look at Mercury, we're essentially an ingredient brand to our partner solutions, right? So we're just one part of what they do. And we work with some of the biggest and best manufacturers around the world. Well, each of those biggest and best manufacturers, they have their own policy and standards that they need to adhere to from a cyber and all the good things that come with that. So by us adopting and adhering to these policies, it not only makes the product stronger and more secure, but it also allows us to more easily fit into their way of doing things in terms of delivering a fully cyber compliant product to the market.